G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's got nice pastel colours, semi-crystal reds and yellows, greens in here, and again a band of colour here. Hard to tell how thick this potch in colour is up here, but it could be quite thick down here in this part, so you end up with quite a cabochon shape. Over here not a lot of colour, so basically it looks like the opal sitting on the top there and rolls around this parent nut. I think the camera's picking up the flashes of there. It's nice pastel sort of colours. It's not super bright, it's just nice hues of colour, almost like an aurora of colour. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.